Good morning, students. For 8th class, we got a module that is algebra module. In algebra module, first one is linear equation in one variable. First, let us recall what is equation, what is algebraic expression, what is variable. Variable means, for example, this is a pen. This pen value is 5 rupees. After 1 year, this pen value may be 10 rupees. So between 10 years, the pen values will be changes. So that value of the pen is denoted as x. That x for the year 10 rupees, next year 20, next year 22, like that. The changing value, vary means changing. Vary means changing. Variable means changed value is called variable. Unknown numbers are changing values. Sometimes we can denote as variables. Variables we can denote with English small letters. For example, for this week temperature is recorded. So the temperature of the week is denoted as x. The value of x on Monday is 37 degrees. Tuesday 40, Wednesday, like that. Okay. So x, y, z, small letter, small t, sometimes small r. Mostly we use x, y, z. Okay, w. These are the variables. Okay. Now term. Term means the product of the variable and real numbers is called term. For example, if you take x, 5 is a number, 5x is a term. Minus 7. Minus 7 is a term, constant term. There is no variable. So minus 3 real number, y variable, minus 3y is a term. So algebraic expression means the sum or difference of more number of terms is called algebraic expression. Okay, now the sum or difference of two or more number of terms is called algebraic expression. Now let us recall what is an equation. Brief explain about equations. An algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. See, algebraic equation contains equality symbol of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. So this is the algebraic expression. So constant. So this algebraic expression contains equality symbol, variables, constants. So this is called an equation. An equation contains equality symbol. For equality symbol, left side is denoted as LHS, left hand side. For an equation, equal left side is left hand side, equal right side is right hand side. Okay. So here the value of x satisfies this equality symbol is called solution. For example, if you take for x equal to 21, what is LHS? For x equal to 21, LHS, right? X equal to 21. 2 into 21 minus 7. That is 2 21s are 42 minus 7. That is 35. What is RHS? 35. So for x equal to 21, the LHS value, RHS values are equal. So this x equal to 21 is called solution of this equation. Okay. Now let us, I am writing some equations. 2x minus 7 equal to 35. This one is 2x plus 2y equal 48. 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. Next, x square plus y equal to z. See, what is the degree of this equation? Degree means in this equation what is the variable? This is the equation in variable x. What is the highest power of x? What is the highest power of x? X means x power 1. So degree is 1. The degree of this equation is 1. Here variable x, variable y. X power 1, y power 1. This is equation with the degree 1. Here the variable is x, 2x, 4x. X power 1, x power 1. It is also an equation in variable x with the degree 1. So here fourth one, x power 2, y power 1, z power 1. What is the highest power of the term? 2. So this is an equation with a degree 2. This is called quadratic equation. So the last one is degree 2. First 3 examples are degree 1. These first 3 are called linear equations. An equation with a degree 1 is called linear equation. An equation with a degree 2 is called quadratic equation. Okay. So an equations with a degree 1 are called linear equations. So we in our 8th class this chapter is linear equations. So in this chapter every equation variable degree should be 1. Okay. So now let us do this problem. Okay na? Next, simple equations are linear equations in one variable. Okay na? Simple equations are linear equations in one variable. Here see, so here these 3 are equations. In this equation how many variables are there? Only one variable x. In this equation how many variables are there? Only one variable. It is also a linear equation. In this linear equation how many variables are there? 2 variables, x and y. So the linear equations in only one variable are called linear equation in one variable are simple equations. So we can say linear equation in one variable are simple equations. An equation contains only one variable. Linear equations contains only one variable are called simple equations. See here, the general form of the simple equation is ax plus b equal to c. Okay. So here in this problem, which of the following are simple equations? 3x plus 5 equal to 14. So here it is a linear equation in one variable x. So it is a simple equation. Next, 3 equal to 2x plus y. It is also a linear equation. But how many variables are there? 2 variables. So it is not simple equation. It is a linear equation but not in variable 1. It is a linear equation in variable 2. So it is not simple equation. Like that you have to verify. Fifth one, x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Is it simple equation? First of all, it is not a linear equation. So it is not simple equation. Linear equation should be degree 1. But what is the degree here? 2. So it is not linear equation. So it is not simple equation. So complete this, do these problems. Next let us discuss solving simple equations.